Hello, and welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're making a dish that's comforting, packed with flavor, and completely plant-based. A delicious vegan potato curry with fluffy rice. It's simple to make, perfect for a weeknight dinner, and guaranteed to become a new favorite. The secret to a great curry is in the spices and a slow simmer that allows all the flavors to meld together. So let's get started. First, let's prepare our vegetables. We'll need about 3 large potatoes, peeled and cut into bite-sized chunks. The key here is to keep the pieces a similar size so they cook evenly. Next, we'll finely dice 1 large onion. This will form the base of our curry, adding a lovely sweetness and aroma. Now, let's get our pot ready. We'll add a tablespoon of coconut oil or any neutral oil you prefer. Once it's shimmering, we'll add our diced onion. We'll sauté these onions for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're soft and fragrant. This step is crucial for building a deep flavor. Now for our aromatic duo, fresh garlic and ginger. We'll cook these for just about 30 seconds until they become fragrant. Be careful not to burn them. And now, the star of the show, our spices. We're adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric for that beautiful golden color, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. We'll toast these spices for about a minute. This really awakens their flavors. Time for our potatoes. We'll give them a good stir to make sure every piece is coated in our fragrant spice paste. To create our creamy sauce, we'll pour in 1 can of full-fat coconut milk and about 1 cup of vegetable broth. If you want a thicker curry, use less broth. We'll bring this to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. While our curry is simmering away, let's get our rice ready. For this dish, I love using a simple basmati rice. We'll rinse our rice under cold water a couple of times. This helps remove excess starch, giving us a light and fluffy result. We'll add a pinch of salt to the water and let our rice cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, or according to the package instructions. Once it's cooked, we'll drain it and let it steam in a covered pot for a few minutes. Our potatoes are perfectly tender, and the sauce is rich and creamy. Let's give it a taste and adjust the salt if needed. Perfect. Just before serving, we'll add a handful of fresh cilantro for a bright, fresh flavor. A little fresh herb at the end makes all the difference. And there you have it. A hearty, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying vegan potato curry with rice. The potatoes are so tender, the sauce is creamy and deeply spiced, and the fluffy rice is the perfect canvas for all that flavor. This is truly a bowl of comfort. I hope you enjoy making this as much as I do. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. Happy cooking!